السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Dear and respected audience, today also I am going to explain about the milk which Allah exalted has said in the glorious Quran in different places. I have nicely explained about it in the last class. Allah has said in 3 surahs about the milk, and the authentic books, kitab of ahadiths, verses of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Bukhari Sharif, Abu Dawood, Ibn Majah, Tirmidhi, Nasa'i, and other many great kitabs of ahadith, books of the verses of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Kanzul Ummal, Tabrani, like that many books that has reported ahadith about the milk. Now, scientific research came a lot about it. Different kind of the universities, their scientists and researchers has found out about medical benefits of this milk. A scientific study found out that 2 cups of the milk daily can prevent Alzheimer's at aging. Nowadays we are listening about the Alzheimer's. The people are discussing about the Alzheimer's here and there. It is spreading. The scientists at the Oxford University found out that milk is source of the vital vitamin, can reduce nervous damage of brain. The nervous damage of the brain, it results in memory loss and dementia. If you drink this milk, you can reduce the memory loss and dementia. The scientists said low levels of the vitamin B12 cause to brain shrinkage twice more than people with higher levels of these vitamins, means vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is very highly in the milk. Experts hope can control elderly memory by vitamin B12. The experts are saying you can control elderly memory by B12 vitamin. Professor David Smith said, consuming of 2 cups of milk daily it rises vitamin B12. Scientists believe vitamin B12 is necessary for safety and isolation of the brain nerve cells, and lack of the vitamin B12 highly affect brain's proper function, which leads dysfunction and death of the nerve cells. Now we have to think. The glorious Quran, Allah Ta'ala has said 14 centuries back about the milk. Allah has said that is good in 3 places, and Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam has said 14 centuries back about it more and more. A new medical study conducted British scientists had revealed that consuming of half of a liter of milk daily can protect men from heart diseases. Now we have to think. The scientists are saying same like that. What the glorious Quran said centuries back and Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam has said centuries back. The research team of the Cardiff Boyles University, they found out consuming dairy product prevents the risk of the metabolic syndrome. The metabolic syndrome is which it increases diabetes and heart diseases. They are saying the dairy product which prevent the diabetes and heart diseases because of it is producing from the milk. The study which needed 20 years to finish and included 2,375 men between 45 and 59 years old. This study showed that consuming of milk and dairy products reduce this risk in man by 50%. Means this risk means heart diseases. Now we can understand what is the glorious Quran and what is the verses of the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. The scientists are, it was said in the 14 centuries back, nowadays scientists are finding out its medical benefits. You have to imagine whatever thing it has mentioned in the glorious Quran and Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam has said, it is for our benefits. It is to live here a long time with health and wealth. It is why we have to study glorious Quran and verses of the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, and have to study science so nicely we can find out many medical benefits and many benefitful things for our life. Wa akhir da'wana anil hamdu lillahi rabbil alamin. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.